Weche goeko mag ohala ni kambi mar Safaricom koro lando biro tiyo kanyakla kod piny owacho ma Epachoka e chiwo omenda kokalo e yor Mpesa ne jogoeko ma bende odak e gwenge maonge kod koth kinde gi eki ma bende oro pod medo mana nenore moko kuom counties ma Epachoka tiyo kanyakla e kind Safaricom kod migawo mar public service biro ne ji ma bende romo 360,696 oyudo omenda manyalo heo milion 1.8 kokalo e yor Mpesa kendo dala ka dala ibiro kata ot ka ot biro yudo omenda maromo shillings 3,000 e dwe ka dwe nyaka chieng' koth kata oro rum e gwenge makono ero. Ler nitiere ni ji ma bende kwan gi nyalo heo milion 2.5 sani endi Kech, Kayo, Epachoka kendo achiedh nade no ero dhi nyime kaluwore kod nok kata onge mag koth e gwenge goeko ma chieng' rienye kata arid and semi-arid areas ma Epachoka
Mpesa and the platform that Safaricom has, we use it for the good of Kenyans, and over the last probably 18 months it's been great to see the shift in government working with us, especially let me just give 2 or 3 examples. One, Kazim Tani, we've used the Mpesa platform for disbursement of funds. The second one was with the Central Bank of Kenya in terms of zero rating transaction fees below 1,000 shillings for Kenyans over a 9-month period. We still do have zero rated transactions to cushion businesses and customers with regard to cash transfers to bank. But today, the bold shift from food relief to cash relief is something we applaud and something that we have worked with all the stakeholders, and the intention is to use the platform to disburse these funds. We have zero-rated all the transaction fees for this service. From Safaricom as a purpose-led organization, we really do applaud you, Waziri, and the government for this bold initiative, and we are here to support the initiative. Thank you very much.
The government, through the multi-agency approach, is coordinating national disaster drought intervention that include relief food distribution, livestock offtake, water tracking, digging and repair of boreholes to cushion and improve the livelihood of over 2.5 million Kenyans affected by the drought in 23 ASAL counties. I'm also pleased to announce the implementation of a policy shift of food distribution to cash transfer. So I'm pleased to announce that we have this morning launched an emergency relief cash transfer program in fulfillment of the government commitment to shift from food distribution to cash transfer. The cash transfer will be distributed through Safaricom Mpesa platform to the identified and registered beneficiaries of 23 arid and semi-arid lands counties. The first cohort of 366,96 households identified for the emergency relief cash transfer program will each receive today and the rest of this week Kenya shillings 3,000, totaling to the payroll amount of 1.082, that is 1,082,088 shillings from today on a monthly basis until the rain situation improves. Cash transfers have proved as the most effective way to reach vulnerable persons in times of emergency. I wish to commend the Safaricom for waiving the transition fees for this first cohort of their commitment to ensure the system will be efficient so long as we continue utilizing it as a government.